Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be unboxing Triple D Dips April 2023 Diva Box. Look at how cute this box is. I recently joined the spoilers group on Facebook, so I kind of have an idea of what's inside. However, I am so excited to share this with you. So if you don't get this box, they release on the 15th of each month, usually at 6 p.m. Pacific time, 9 p.m. Eastern. So I had to get it because like they post teasers about it, and I was like, ooh, I have to get this month. I skipped March. I think I got January and February, but I definitely skipped March. So this is my first box in a month, and I'm so excited to use what's inside and show you guys. So, oh my gosh, don't hide, you're in a diva. How cute is that? All right. Oh, so many goodies, so many goodies. So I'm going to save the dips and what's in here for last, including that. So obviously this is just an orange wood stick, which is super long. I love these. And I got another pen. I have a pen that I just got with another order I made from Triple D. So this one is pink. The other one was black. There's cuticle oil. Smell the rainbow. Oh, wait. I heard that this smells so good you want to eat it. So let me just whip this open and try. Smell it. I just gotta work it a little more. Hang on. Oh, you guys, it smells so delicious. So delicious. Smell the rainbow. Oh, amazing. Cannot wait to use it. Look at this big water slide scene. Cut out water slides. Choose your poison ivy. You can just like snip out little pieces of this and like use the whole scene across your nails, especially if you have like super long nails. That would be awesome. Cannot wait to use little pieces of this in upcoming manis. Then this is something I have never tried. It is transfer foil. I think I need a special kind of glue for this, so I might have to get that first before I try them out, but I'll do a little research on it. Oh my goodness, look at it. It has these beautiful like water, and oh my lord, wait. There's so much in here, guys. All right, so it's this one that's like kind of like a tie-dye multicolor. And I have something stuck on my nail, hang on. Okay. Like a multicolor tie-dye. Oh wow, hang on, there's some stuff. Then there's this one, which is like a rainbowy cosmic look to it. And then there's, oh, look at this. Just keeps going and going. And there's another one. Hang on. This one looks like, kind of like marble or stone. Wow, amazing. Okay. So, this is quite a bit in this box. And this particular box was $55. I know it varies each month depending on what's inside the box. This one was actually packed full with a bunch of stuff. I've paid like, I think one box was $35, but that didn't have cuticle oil in it. Then I think one was like $45, and that was with cuticle oil. This one, like I said, was $55, and they all come with cuticle oil in it this time. And then this is a huge stamping plate. Huge. Look at all the stuff that's on here. There's heart, like stuff for a lot of holidays. There's hearts, shamrocks, lips, Easter eggs. There's some stars, like fall, I cannot talk today. Like springy type stuff here. Wow. The palm trees. Ooh, those will be pretty. Okay. So that is all that was in the box besides the dips, which is a lot of stuff. Then let's get into the dips. Okay, I'm going to go in order here. This is Diva Dip 83. Oh my gosh, these all glow, by the way. So this is like a really bright green. And I'll get some swatches up here for you guys too. It's 85. This is Diva Dip 84, which is a bright yellow. I can't wait to see these glow. This is Diva Dip 85, which is like a reddish pink, kind of like a light red. And then there is, oops, Diva Dip 86. And that is this gorgeous blue color. And then there is this triple whipped gel 3-in-1. And these all glow. So these are like 3 different shades here of pinks. And this one in the middle is like a red. Let me just open this. I have never used a whipped gel before. Okay, so I'm not going to open this up. I started to and it got a little messy and I didn't want to get it all over my hands. So I will do a swatch of this and show it at the end opened up for you. My pictures. And then there was also these brushes for applying this gel. There's like a very thin brush, and then there's one that has like an angle to it, and then there's like a straight, wider one. So how amazing is that? I mean, you get all of this, and like I said, it was $55 this month for all of these items. So I'm just going to do a little showcase here of everything. This was a great haul this month. Dodie really did a good job with everything. I got the pen. And I will post the information again down below so you can get in on May's box when that releases on May 15th. Thanks so much for watching. Have a lovely day. I decided to do a swatching of these on video to put at the end of my unboxing. So I have my dips here that I'm going to be swatching that I just showed you. And I also have a dip top coat from Mani Boss. Don't mind the little grossness here. I have my old nail candy activator, and I have brush cleaner by Sparkle & Co. I like to use older liquids that I don't normally use when I do my regular manis for swatching, just because I don't like to get my mani liquids all messed up. So that's why I'm using these. All right, so we're gonna go right in here for Diva Dip 83. So I'll do a dip on all of these, and then I'll do a second dip, but I'll speed that process up a little bit. It's been a while since I've done swatching on a video. So just as a refresher, I like to swatch on the inside of the swatch stick, not on the front side here. Just do a couple little dips in, and then I like to shake it off, and I forgot my brush. I just take my little brush and I brush off just the front. I don't do the underside that I just swatched yet. Put that to the side. And then I'm going to go in with Diva Dip 84 here. I just got a bunch of new swatch sticks. I got 150 from Amazon. I was completely out. So that's why I'm doing this like a couple of days after I did the unboxing. And these, as I mentioned, all glow. So I'll put them underneath my lamp so we can see if they'll glow a little bit for us. Or I'll show them at the end. Okay. $85. It's a gorgeous, like I called it medium red. And then this is 86, which is a blue, light blue. And if you haven't seen the video that I have of the mani on my nails currently, you can check that out. I'll put it up in the cards here for you. Okay, so that's one dip down of all of those. I also have the cream gels, but I don't think I'm going to swatch those because I still haven't opened them yet and they're a little messy. And I don't want to mess my brushes up. So I'm just going to do the powders. two dips of all the colors. And I just want to point out something here that can be fixed. So I'm not sure if you see that little funny looking piece that's coming out here from the swatch. That's something that was on the swatch. I did not create that with the dip. So swatches are just like nails. You can go ahead and just clean that up if you need to. I like to do this after I'm done dipping, but before I activate them. So I'm just cleaning up, and even here I got a little bit of the powder. Okay, just filed that right off. Just going in and dusting off anything that might have come out when I did that. I'm going to do that to the other two as well because they all have it. I don't know why. Now I'm going to do my activator on all of these. And this is where the brush cleaner can come into play because sometimes that activator pulls it from the other colors. If I can get that off, there we go. This is really old, but it works. Works for swatches. All right, so I'll get better pictures of these, but you can kind of see like this one glowing a little bit. And the blue was glowing. All right, so let me just do a little showcase of the swatches here. So this was Diva Dip 84, the green. This was 83. This is Diva Dip 84, which is the yellow. This was Diva Dip 85, that reddish color. And then this one was Diva Dip 86, which was the blue. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And you can also hit that bell notification to be notified when I post new content. Thanks so much for watching. Have a lovely day.